National Parks of the West. Big Bend National Park, Texas. Big Bend National Park is located along the Rio Grande, also called the Rio Bravo, the river that forms the boundary between Mexico and the United States. The park is open year-round. Wildlife and vegetation. Big Bend is the home for more than 1,200 plants species, including 60 kinds of cactus, and more than 4,000 animal and insect species. This diversity is due to the park's many natural habitats, from the Chihuahua Desert to the Jesus Mountains. Hiking in Big Bend National Park. Big Bend's 150 miles of trails have attracted hikers for years. Many choose the easy window view trail. Others prefer the challenge of a hike to the summit of 7,832-foot Mountain Emery. Hikers' guidelines. Thousands of hikers visit Big Bend every year. National Park rangers, guardians of the park, regulate the hiking. They ask hikers and backpackers to follow these tips. Your safety is your responsibility. Do not start your hike without the right supplies and equipment. Clean up after yourself. Do not climb within 50 feet of any Native American rock art. Do not harm or disturb nature. Conserving the environment is important. Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho. Yellowstone National Park is the first and oldest national park in the United States. It was established in 1872. Yellowstone has at least 150 geysers. The most famous geyser is Old Faithful. This natural wonder shoots hot water as high as 200 feet in the air. Wildlife. Yellowstone has dozens of animal species. Today, wolves are among them, but in 1994 Yellowstone had no wolves. Humans had killed off the park's native gray wolves. In the 1990s, scientists decided to restore this endangered wolf species to the park. In 1995 and 1996, scientists captured 31 gray wolves in Canada and brought them to Yellowstone. At first, the wolves lived in 3 large pens. In time, they were released into the wild. The wolf restoration program is now unique. It was modeled after other similar programs, but it is one of the most successfully adapted programs of its kind. In 2006, 136 gray wolves lived in Yellowstone. They live in 13 different areas of the park. Analyze the graph below. In what year was the wolf population the highest? The lowest? How many wolves were there in each of these years?